Hey everyone, okay, so a little bit of a longer video perhaps today. Got no script, so we'll see how we go. I've been on YouTube, I think now for 16 years, a very, very long time, and things are gonna have to start to change because they need to. Before I get on to that, just wanted to share a couple of things that have happened over the past week or so leading up to Christmas. So today is the 29th of December. A couple of days before, about 4 or 5 days I think before Christmas, I was having a business conversation with a couple of people, and a solution needed to be found to a problem, and I believed that I had found the solution. And one of the people on the phone call understood the solution that I proposed, and the other person did not, and did not like what I said at all. And I have been incredibly good to this person, incredibly generous, and behind the scenes have done absolutely everything I could possibly do for this person. And the way that they spoke to me was just mind-blowing. Very short memory and a massive case of amnesia going on. And the thing is, when you say things to people, you have to be very careful because you cannot always take them back. And that was the case in this instance, and it changed everything about the relationship and the dynamic because it changed how I felt about them. It's just ridiculous. Just be nice. Don't forget where you came from, and don't forget who's done things for you. It's extraordinary. Over the past, over the Christmas period, I tell you, this is so interesting. The amount of people that have commented on my weight over the past week has been extraordinary. I went to a family thing a couple of days ago, and it was like a 2-hour ordeal of just fat shaming me the entire time. It was pretty much an onslaught about my weight. Today I went somewhere, and again, my weight was coming up. Now, who does that in real life? I would never ever comment on someone's weight, ever in my life. And I'm not a sensitive person, so a lot of it goes over my head, but the past week has been pretty intense. Now, I weigh about 220 pounds, so about 15 stone 7 or something like that. So this is what I look like. I'm not obese by any stretch. And if you were to see me in real life, I'm tall, I'm 6 foot, I'm really wide. There's no doubt whatsoever I could be leaner. But I don't give it too much thought, but everyone else around me does, because they expect me to look a different way. I don't know whether it's the way they want me to look or they just think it's funny to do it. I also don't know, and since predominantly my audience is female, this will be an interesting topic. I don't know if it's just because I'm male they think they can get away with it and say this stuff. It's interesting. It doesn't really hurt my feelings, but it got to the point where I was just like, I've had enough of listening to it now. And the irony here, and this is the irony of it, the people commenting on my weight were all bigger than I was. That was the weird thing. Way bigger in some cases. Peculiar. Okay, so back to YouTube. I've been going at this for a long time now, and there comes a point where you have to start thinking about moving on. I'm not ready to do that just yet, but the time is coming. It is approaching. Now, when I first started doing YouTube, I think I've always been known for my explanations, but I was also known for the shortness of my videos. This was way back in the day before TikTok and all that stuff. And I was making 90-second, 2-minute videos for the bulk of my videos. And then as time moved on and you got more popular and you had agents involved, they would tell you And YouTube will tell you, make longer videos. The algorithm likes longer videos. You can add more adverts into longer videos. I never enjoyed making really long videos unless there was a point. I loved making those short videos, and that's what I'm going to go back to. From, what is the date? So it's the 29th today. So from the 6th of January, I've got to look at everything. From the 6th of January, I'm going to be filming short format videos. 90 seconds, 2 minutes, something like that. Short, sharp, and to the point, that you get all the information, whether it's a tip, a trick, or a review, in a very short period of time, because I need to spice things up, because I need it. I desperately need to do something different. It also means I can post it on multiple platforms, which will be interesting and fun for me, because why not? You know, I need a bit of a change, and change is coming. And I know that my retirement from social media is approaching at some point, because I've been on here so long. I am one of the OGs of YouTube, and things are going to have to change. But let's see how some short format is doing. I filmed some of the videos. I really enjoyed filming them because they were so quick and simple and easy to film. And I loved the sharpness of it. It reminded me of when I first started, and I just wanted to get the points across and leave and be done. So I hope you like it, and I hope you stick around for it. For those of you that do follow me or want to support me, by following me on Instagram, even TikTok, you know, that would be incredibly kind and nice. It's been, 2024 has been a very, very miserable year. It's been a difficult year. Dealing with business issues hasn't been fun. A family member on my partner's side who has vascular dementia, who we see every single day and love, is incredibly difficult and challenging for everyone concerned, because the rain cloud of darkness that surrounds it is just intense when you're dealing with it every day. It's just been it's been a difficult year. So let's try and do some change for 2025. I hope it's a good one. Oh, I do. I pray it's a good one. Let's see if it is. I hope it is. I just want something nice to happen. I'm tired of being fed up. I'm tired of worrying about things. I'm tired of being taken advantage of by people. And I am absolutely taken advantage of. And I am sick of it. So let's start with YouTube. Let's do some short format videos. If you can like them, that would be great. If you can comment, that would be amazing. And if you can follow me on my other social media platforms, that would be super. I wish you all a beautiful, happy new year. And I hope everything you long for comes your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.